Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. June and I have both been really busy this year, so we didn't have any time to upload on this channel. However, I did record a few things with my friend about a month ago, so I wanted to combine these into this little casual vlog. I hope you enjoy it and take care. Okay, so small update. Today I'm meeting my friend and we are going to, wow, it's so windy. Never mind. Can you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Sophia's friend. My name is Malati.
Where are you from?
I'm from Nepal.
So the reason why we're going there is, wow, it's so loud. It's because it's Jimin's dad's cafe, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so actually one of my friends went there before and he said it looked cool. I heard they have a lot of like Jimin hats. We hope for the best. It's pretty cold. Let's walk. Okay. So I guess we're going this way, right? We're not sure, but
I think this.
okay. Guys, we're kind of lost. It's taking us on like a weird adventure. I don't know where to go. Where's the door?
This way or that way?
Maybe this way? Jimin's dad's cafe, and I feel weird. Honestly. I feel like this is not where we're supposed to go in, right? Okay. What is that? Honestly, I think these look like so good. Like these ones.
Strawberry.
Yeah. Ooh. Ah. I saw this one before. These are cool hats. I think my friend told me these are the hats that Jimin wore, but I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know if he would wear those.
Like especially the flowers.
Right. Either way, cool hats. This is blueberry mousse and cafe latte and vanilla latte. If you didn't know that this was Jimin's dad's cafe, you wouldn't really see any signs of it inside. This place, it's good. I don't want to say it's not good, but just don't. It's just a cafe.
Too much.
Yeah, it doesn't really have anything to do with Jimin, except that it's his dad's cafe. Yeah. Not this way. It's one more. Yeah. Colts in Korea?
Yeah.
Wait, is that ours? Wow, you look so beautiful right there. So we went to maratang place. No, just kidding. We went to shabu shabu place. But we got the maratang shabu shabu. Wow, I'm getting assaulted. It's really good. So let's eat. So this is the things you can add in. My soup looks like this right now. So here's the different vegetables and this. I think is sweet potato rice cake. Not my favorite. And then you get like a huge rice cake. And you also get this bowl of I guess it's pig. I'm not sure. Seafood sauce, peanut sauce, and chili sauce. So I just go for the chili. Meh. Hola! I'm home now. I just said goodbye to Malati and my phone kind of died while we were eating, so I couldn't really record anything else. After we were done eating, we just went looking for some clothes. I actually did end up buying one thing. I'll show you. Oh my god, haul! What a vlogger. I bought... just hit myself. Woo! It looked so warm and cozy and it was on sale, so... Also... This shirt smells like I just dipped it in the shabu shabu. Like all the steam kept just like blowing at me, both mine and Malati's. I was just like, so this just smells exactly like shabu shabu, which is not the worst smell, but you know, probably needs a wash. I'm not showing my face because I haven't showered and I look like crap. So. You get my finger puppet, apparently. I need to clean. I'm just gonna show you super fast. Okay, so I cleaned most of it. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's a lot better. I bought this candle and it smells really good. It was, what was it called? Wow, I don't even remember. It's some kind of berry, I think, and flowers, and it smells nice. I like this lamp, but now, even if I wanted to burn this candle, I can't because the wick is gone after using the lamp, so. Hola! You look cute. Yeah. Okay. Go, girl. Okay. Okay, we need to work on that. But I think you would be better than me because I'm really bad at doing that. Did you get wet? Okay, she's gonna try. Can she do it? Is it possible? Like, you should try and do it as close to the sea level as possible.
No.
No? Okay. Well, you tried. These are my findings. I found them all by myself. And I'm keeping them. Just like when I was a kid, I used to do this a lot. When I was a kid, I used to walk by the ocean line and pick up all these small little cute shells. And then when I went home, my pockets were just full of stones, and then I just put them in like a jar and I just never looked at them again. But now I have a few. One of them is like glass, I think, and the other ones are just really pretty colors. I love them. Yay. Wow, it's so calm and nice. I love this. There's currently a corgi and a floofy dog, and it's amazing. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's so cute. I feel like a creep, but like the dogs are so adorable. No, this is the shop I was talking about. Look, all the scrunchies. I bought a diary recently, but I didn't start using it. Or like I bought a planner and then I never used it. Cutie. Oh, I bought like a cute little thing for June where I can write my love. You know. I'll just write I love you and then I'm done.
The whole thing.
Or I write I love you like super largely, like just one big I love you. With Korean traditional candies. What? Maybe I should get some. Like these ones are pretty famous.
Oh, I love this.
And like those ones. I heard these ones are really good. Like the cola ones, I'm buying it for sure. Okay, I bought some traditional Korean snacks and I got it in like this cute bag. 10 out of 10. Okay, I think that's enough lime. You didn't have to put all the lime. And then put the sauce
Just
a little. Yeah.
Sauce.
Is it good? It's good, right? How was the food? You had tacos for the first time.
Yeah. First one was like really good.
Next time, let's have more tacos. Highly recommend. And now we're going home. You want to say bye?
Bye bye.
Aren't you just throwing it now? You're like, stop.